Hey guys, and welcome back to Everyday Glamming. It is your girl Stacy here with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my second review of the Stitch Fix monthly subscription. So I'm going to put a link to my previous video because I'm just uploading it now too, up above, and so you guys can check that out and see what I thought about my first box. And today I'm going to be unboxing my second box and showing you guys what I got. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will put a link down below that you can use my referral code. With that referral code, what you get to do is try Stitch Fix, and what they do is they give you $25 to shop. So the first order that you use my code down below on, you will actually get $25. So if you like anything from the box, you automatically get $25 toward that purchase. So what it does is it just gives you kind of like some different cards, gives you ideas of how to style the items that you get. And like I said, if I refer you and you use my link, you get $25, and so do I. So if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, that is the way to try it. Use somebody's referral link so that you do not have to pay full price for the items that you choose to keep anything. It also comes with a list of the prices of the items. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys what I got. The first item that I got is this crossbody. It is a sage tassel crossbody. The brand is Street Level, and it is in the color blush. I love blush pink stuff, and this is how it looks. So really cute crossbody. I love that it has a zipper. I did keep my crossbody from last month's bag, and I love that their bags come with a little baggie to keep your purses in, so to keep them protected. I love that it has a zipper in the middle, so for those extra cautious things that you don't want to fall out, like your wallet and things like that, you do have the zipper option, and it comes with the strap. The last one, it was a chain strap, so this one is more realistic for day-to-day use, just because after a while the chain does get aggravating. This is $44. Not too bad. Really good quality. It feels like leather. Really nice. I like this. Next up, we have this sweater. Let me put this right here so I can easily read it. This sweater is by Pinku Rollini Crew Neck Pullover. It is in the size 2X. It is $46. I'm going to try this on for you guys. $46, I'm not too sure I am. I'm gonna scoop my camera back. I'm not too sure I'm crazy about this to pay $46 for it. So let me just let you guys see how it looks. It's a little bit too oversized for me, so you guys can see how it fits. A little too oversized for me. Not my style. So this is $46. Definitely think that I will be sending this back. Not really my style. So I will go ahead and put that to the side. Next up, we have this floral print. The brand is Chrysanthia. It is a front tie floral print shirt. It is a 2XL, and it is $42. I have this exact same shirt. Not the exact same one, but the exact style. It ties in the front, and I got it for $10. So to me, this shirt is a little bit overpriced for what it is. This is a little bit of a view of how it fits. It's cute, but $42 cute? No. So I like the sleeves. I like that it's really, you know, roomy. But for $42, like I said, I have one that I paid $11 for. So that's a no for that. Those two items. So far we have one yes, two no's. I like the crossbody, and I do not like the two shirts that I've looked at so far. This is just a cardigan. This is a cardigan by Mix. So this is, let's see. It is in the color navy, 2X, $38. So I feel like their sizes run a bit big. And excuse my chest, I have on my nursing bra, so if it's a little bit saggy, that explains it. Sorry, ladies. So look at the sleeves of this. Like, I mean, I could fold this. This is $38. So $38. It's just your basic cardigan. Navy blue. It does kind of hang low at the bottom, so it has those little drops. Nothing to write home about. Honestly, guys, for $38, I would expect more. It feels nice, but it's not like super winning. Now this one feels amazing. Of course, this is Artie Style, and it is $68. Look at this. Really love the detail of this. The bottom of it, the arms, the ribbed arms, and then the bottom of it. Look at this detail. And I love how it rounds at the bottom. This feels amazing. Like, it literally feels like butter. I don't know if they wash this stuff, because all the clothes feel really soft when you put them on. But I don't know if they wash this. This is something I would fold up the sleeves. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. And it's just like cute. Like, let me tuck that in. Look at this at the bottom. I have on a shirt under, but look at that. I really like this. This is really cute. I like this one. I like this one. Look at the camera. I like this one. So this is really cute. So of my items, I like this, and I like the crossbody purse. What I do is I always go and I look up the items, and I see what they retail for regularly. Excuse my hair, it is a mess. I see what they retail for regularly. If I feel like it's a good buy to get it from Stitch Fix, then I'll get it. But if not, I will send it back. So guys, just to let you know, if you keep all of the items, you get 25% off discount. So if I were to keep all of these items, it would be $158. So that would be all of them if I wanted to keep them all. And if not, I keep what I want. So that is the summary of my second Stitch Fix box. I do feel like this box was a little better at styling me. The crossbodies definitely love it. They're doing great with my colors. But some of the choices, I've told them that I wanted reasonable prices. Some of them are a little bit more than what I would want to spend. So that is one thing that I will say that I think that they should kind of work on, is finding price points. If they're not able to find price points that you like, then say, you know, our boxes are not for you. Just be upfront and honest. Say, you know, the things that we send you are not going to be in your price range. Fine with that. But other than that, I'll try one more time. I like to give things 3 tries. If it doesn't work out the 3rd time, then I will discontinue getting Stitch Fix. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below. If you subscribe to Stitch Fix, let me know your thoughts. Let me know your experience. And if you want to try it, use my link below so you get $25. If you don't like it, you cancel it anytime, guys. All right, and sorry, I'm looking at myself instead of looking at the camera. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.